Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to crochet this elegant square motif. It's worked in just 5 rounds and I absolutely love this blue and beige color combination. Let's get started. Chain 6. Insert your hook into the first chain and join with a slip stitch to form a ring. Round 1. Chain 3. These turning chains count as the first double crochet. Work 1 double crochet into the ring, then crochet 14 more double crochets into the ring. You should have a total of 16 stitches, the beginning chain 3 and 15 double crochets. Join the round with a slip stitch to the top of the beginning chain 3. Start the next round with a chain 3. This chain counts as the first double crochet. Double crochet in the next stitch of the previous round. Chain 1. Make double crochet in the next stitch. Then double crochet in the following stitch. Chain 3. Double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Chain 1. Repeat this sequence all the way around. Join the round with a slip stitch. Your work should look like this. Cut the yarn. Join the yarn in a different color. Join the yarn in the chain 1 space from the previous round. Chain 4. This chain counts as the first treble crochet. Work 3 treble crochets together into the same chain 1 space, joining them together with the beginning chain 4. Chain 3. Work 1 double crochet into the chain 3 space from the previous round. Chain 2. Make 1 treble crochet into the same chain 3 space. Chain 5. Add another treble crochet into the same space. Chain 2. Place 1 double crochet into the same space. Chain 3. Now work 4 treble crochets together into the chain 1 space from the previous round. Continue working in this sequence all the way around. Join the round with a slip stitch. Insert the hook under the 3 chain space of the previous row and work 3 single crochet stitches. One single crochet into the stitch of the double crochet from the previous row. One single crochet into the 2 chain space of the previous row. One single crochet into the next stitch. Insert the hook under the 5 chain space of the previous row and work 7 single crochet stitches. One more single crochet into the next stitch. Again, work 1 single crochet into the 2 chain space, then 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Work 3 single crochet stitches into the 3 chain space. Finish the round with a slip stitch. Cut the yarn. Join the blue yarn to one of the stitches of the previous round. Work one single crochet stitch into each stitch. In the stitch located at the corner of the motif, this should be the fourth stitch out of the 7 single crochet stitches worked into the 5 chain space. Work 1 single crochet. Then make 3 chain stitches and work 1 more single crochet into the same stitch. Repeat the same steps in each corner. It should look like this. The motif is finished. Next, we will join the motifs together. Join the motifs at these points. One of the joining points is located at the corner of the motif. The other is in the chain stitch above the shared top of the 4 treble crochet stitches worked together. And that's it! Our beautiful crochet motif is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crocheting and see you in my next video.